Hello CAC, I'm Lauren and I'm normally in the big top teaching gymnastics, but today I'm with you doing your Get Moving activity to show you how to hula hoop. So if you're lucky enough to have multiple hula hoops, the bigger the better for when you're starting out. And this is because the bigger the hoop, the more time it has to go around your waist so your body can get used to doing the right movement. So the first tip I'm going to give you when you're starting out hula hooping is having a straight posture. So you don't want to be hunched over like this, otherwise the hoop is just going to go down. We want to be as straight as we can. And it's quite a weird action, but we want to be just trying to isolate our waist and our back, because we can move our knees by themselves, we can move our hips by themselves, we can move our shoulders and chest. But it's quite hard to isolate just this part. Now when you're hula hooping, you can do it in lots of different positions with your feet. I personally like standing with my feet apart and almost doing a shimmy side to side. Some people like to stand with one foot in front of the other and doing more of a backwards and forwards motion. Stand to the other side. Pressing their stomach and their back against the hoop. You might even want to start with your feet completely together, more like a circus person. Now I might seem like it's quite easy to do, but I've been practicing a lot since the beginning of lockdown. Another thing when you're hula hooping is you want to try and not move the rest of your body. So what I mean by that is you could be going around your waist, but you might be moving your arms a lot or moving your legs a lot, and then your hoop's just going to come down. So you have to really try to only just move your waist and your back to keep it up. Another thing is gravity, unfortunately, and gravity loves to pull things down. So when you feel like the hoop's coming down, you have to make it go a little bit faster and try and move the part above where the hoop is to get it back up. So if it was dropping down to my hips, I would move my waist a bit more to get it back up and make it go a bit faster. So just to go over the points again, you want to be as straight as you can, have a straight posture. You want to be just trying to isolate your waist and your back, either shimmying side to side, forwards and backwards, or maybe your feet together. And you want to be trying to not move the other parts of your body as much when you're starting out. When you've got it a bit more, you can start to walk around in a circle. Start off doing really small steps though. And when you get into it, you might be able to move your arms around. But at the very beginning, we want to be doing as little movement as possible with the rest of our body. If you can already hula hoop, I challenge you to try and hoop in the other direction. And sometimes it feels very, very strange to do that. And if you're even feeling confident to spin both ways, what you can do is stop the hoop when it's pressed against your back, and you'll do that by pressing your arms here, and then you can stop it and spin it the other way. So that might look something like this, which can be really fun to do when you're dancing. Now I invite you to put on one of your favourite songs and just have a play with it. I personally like Spinning Around to Kylie Minogue, Spinning Around. Now go and have fun.